You also get a ton of calls from scammers or advertising agencies trying to sell you something, and every time you wonder where they got your phone number. They could have bought it on the dark web where databases of phone numbers are sold. But how did your number end up there? One way is through settings on your phone. They are enabled by default from the factory and give scammers and advertising agencies access to your phone number. In today's video, I will explain how this happens and how to disable it. Welcome to my channel and let's dive in. The thing is, there are a lot of apps on our phone, some we installed ourselves, some were pre-installed, and there is a setting on the phone that gives all these apps access to your phone number if the app requests it. This is for convenience, so you can, for example, choose your phone number instead of entering it manually during the registration in the app, but it's also not entirely secure, since all apps have access to your phone number, and some app developers may actually collect and sell you information, so it's best to disable this setting. Now I'll show you how to do this. On your phone, head to main settings. After that, scroll down to Google. Tap on Google. Then scroll down to section autofill and passwords. And here select phone number sharing and turn off phone number sharing. Next, let's talk about websites that can also access our phone number and other information due to settings. The problem is that some dishonest websites add hidden fields. For example, if you enter only your name on the website, you might think you have only shared your name, but in reality you have also shared your phone number, addresses, and so on, and now we will disable it. For this, open your favorite web browser. In my case, this is Google Chrome. And after that, in the upper right hand corner of the screen, tap on three dots and head to main settings of your web browser. Then scroll down to section passwords and autofill and select addresses and more. And turn off feature save and fill addresses. The downside is that you will have to fill out the information on the websites manually, but it is safer. And last setting which I want to share with you in this video is here. Head to main settings on your phone and after that use search to find this setting on every phone and then type permission manager. Permission manager. And here you can find permission manager or permissions. It depends on your phone model. Tap on permission manager. Then tap on permission manager again and here select contacts. Here you can see a list of apps that have access to our phone number, as well as to phone numbers in our contacts. Here you can check for apps that shouldn't have access to our contacts. Pay specific attention to apps you installed yourself, not from the Play Store. If you are unsure whether an app should have access to our contacts or not, search for it on Google. To block access to a phone number, just select app and tap Don't Allow. After that, tap back again to permission manager and then select call logs and do the same. And most importantly, if someone calls you from a number claiming to be from your bank and tell you that your account is blocked or you have making a money transfer, there are a 90% chance it's a scam. It's easy to check. Ask which bank they are calling from. If they are right, ask for as much information as possible. They will likely only know your number and maybe your name. It's best to hang up and call your bank after finding the number online. That's all I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.